and make a little bit of adjustments, we need our map to be like this here, okay? So in order for us to achieve that, we're going to change the style to this. We need to remove whatever we're subtracting here. We just need to occupy the whole width, and we need to remove the vertical, margin vertical, as well as the border radius, and we need to add height. For height, instead of 300, we're going to use our height divided by 2.6. Okay, and this line can remain as the same, but if you want to use primary, then that's okay either way. The primary like that, or you can just go ahead with tertiary either way. But gray would do justice for me. Gray too, because it's a little bit faint. Okay, so that's how we're going to display our map. Okay, so now that we have our key, we've imported our key here, we can use our key to run this function. Okay, so we have to run this function inside of our use effect. We can use it to run the function inside of our use effect to get the coordinates that we need in the directions. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to do that. So here in our use effect, that's inside. If we have the location, then we're going to run this. Otherwise, we are not, because we won't have enough data to run the function. So we're going to close this, and we're going to fetch directions. In fetching directions, we're going to require the longitude. Okay, we're going to require this: start latitude, start longitude, destination lat, and destination long. Okay, so first we're going to start with these two: location lat. That's going to be our first, and we go with location longitude. Right after that, destination. It has to be vice versa though. Let's keep these ones as destination. So our starting point has to be the restaurant. So it's supposed to be item. Let's just paste this. Let's go ahead and log our item. It's supposed to be place list, because we're receiving the data as place list here. So let's log place lists. Okay. So we just have to send it as a list. So let's see when we are passing the data. Okay, so we are now in a list. So in that list, we're just going to retrieve index 0. So now we have our object, okay? Either way. So we're going to access this object, and from this object, we're going to get the latitude and the longitude. So first we have the longitude, so we need the latitude. supposed to be latitude right here. And let's go ahead